Hey guys, it's a beautiful, going to be sunny Saturday morning. I just want to talk briefly on the importance of social media. I got this interior detail for smoke cleaning. Well, it's interior only, and it's a smoker vehicle, so I did charge a premium for that. Plus for shampooing, extracting, cleaning the headliner and stuff, but I digress. I talked to the lady in passing when she saw me doing a detail about 2 months ago, and she said she kind of kept an eye on my website and Google business page and saw that I had been doing some other customers and read my reviews and decided to trust me with her vehicle to do a deep cleaning on it. So she was basically like, I could do a $200 job myself, but she's looking for a detailer that's got a good attention to detail and who's going to do a great job. So don't underestimate your social media presence. You definitely at the minimum should have your own website and a Google My Business page. Otherwise you're going to be missing out on a lot of business.